Shiba Inu Coin may be hitting a bottom based on its technical analysis. We're going to be going over that in this video here. This article does a pretty good job of breaking down some of the technicals, but oh my goodness. We've also got something introduced by Shytoshi. And I don't know, where you guys have been in the cryptocurrency space, what you really know about decentralized autonomous organizations in these DAOs. But when a token is truly decentralized, anybody can submit a proposal to be voted on, not just the centralized authorities, which is what we have here. Now, I'm going to be going over a very brief kind of summary of this voting proposal and what it means, and then, of course, later in the day, we're going to be jumping into a full breakdown, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And, yeah, if you guys want to see an actual Layer 2 blockchain that's being built on decentralization right now, you need to check out Pepe Unchained. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here, and from there, I'll show you how to connect your wallet and so on in a minute, but we have got some information to go over in this video, so that's what we're going to be doing. I want to start right here. On-chain metrics at Shiba Inu Coin, or on-chain metrics at Shiba Inu Coin price bottom. Over the weekend, Shiba Inu's lead developer, now I put that in quotes because Shytoshi has not developed Shiba Inu Coin or anything for Shiba Inu Coin, initiated a community vote to decide the use of 37.5 Ethereum contributed by the fast food chain Welly to the SHIB DAO. Now, this contribution took place years ago, and they're just now questioning the community on how they should use it. And let me say this, right? You don't actually know if they're forcing the votes. You don't actually know if the votes are legitimate or not. So please keep that in mind. The proposal offered 4 options, one of which was to burn Shiba tokens. However, key community figures like Jolt and Lola opposed the burn, citing its limited impact on SHIB's value. Now, I will, you know what, I think I have that open right here. I'm just going to go ahead and read their responses so that you guys can get a little bit better of an understanding of what they said, and I'm going to break down the proposals later. It says, if you burn that 37 Ethereum, it's going to take out about 7 billion SHIB, which really isn't going to do much, but if you use the 90,000 to create a game or application like Solitaire Cash that will use SHIB as currency and gas fees to burn also some SHIB, then we will have burns, adoption, and more. All at once. Yes, in theory, sure. But these guys spent millions of dollars building a game for Shiba Inu Coin that did absolutely nothing for Shiba Inu Coin. There's no burns because of Shiba Eternity. You do not need Shiba Inu Coin. You do not need there's no use or utility for Shiba Inu Coin whatsoever because of the game that they have already built. Please keep that in mind. Jolt saying 37.5 Ethereum may sound like a significant burn, but it will not affect the SHIB price action. It's not enough. At current market value, it correlates to under $100,000. This money is better spent somewhere else. It will have a better impact and further reach. If you want to burn, what's it say? If you want to burn SHIB, you need to focus on shibarium making those burns as it was intended. Sure, dude. You know what? If shibarium didn't fork every single time they began to burn, nobody would have an issue. We would have been burning a billion Shiba Inu Coin per month like they were before. But the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team is full of dirty little liars who fork every time the fees go up and any significant burns are there. I can't understand how hard these people got hit in the head that they're so brainwashed and blindsided by the utter idiocy that takes place out of the mouths of the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem developers and team. It is absolutely wild to me, and I get so irritated by it because it is so stupid. I mean, it truly is. Shibarium and Bone need more exposure via Tier 1 exchanges, and Shibarium integration support from wallets and exchanges. I'm sure this requires fees and funds as well as traditional advertising. The 37.5 Ethereum could be used towards the growth of the chain that would benefit the entire community. Let me tell you this. These guys have zero whatsoever intentions on benefiting the Shiba Inu coin holders. It's obvious, guys. They want to use this money to promote Bone. They want to use this money to promote the ecosystem. They want to use this money to promote Shibarium, but they don't want to burn Shiba Inu coin with it. They don't want to reduce the supply, and they don't want to increase the demand for Shiba Inu coin. It is wild. Now, we're going to break down the rest of this in a video a little bit later today, so make sure you guys watch that one as well. But holy moly, these guys are off their rocker. If you want to look at a layer 2 blockchain right now that is actually doing something to involve the community, unlike the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team who has done nothing, Pepe Unchained still has a chance to prove themselves to the community, right? And right now, they have raised over $11.5 million. Now, if you guys are interested in buying into Pepe Unchained, and look, at this point, if the Shiba Inu coin community relies on the ecosystem team, Pepe Unchained is probably going to surpass Shibarium. And so I'm just putting that out there. The ecosystem team is literally just, I mean, they're siphoning from the SHIB community every day. If you want to grab 1 Ethereum worth, all you got to do is click that link in the description below, click Connect Wallet. I use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code. You guys can do whatever you want, but then you determine how much you want to buy. If you want to grab 1 Ethereum worth, you guys are going to be walking away with 261,250 Pepe Unchained tokens. This is an actual layer 2 blockchain being built for memes. Check out the about section, right? It's built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. This focus on memes during the upcoming bull market rally when the retail investors return to the market, which a lot of people say, well, they're here now, they're here now. No, they're not here now, man. Go out to Google Trends, check out the search volume. A level of 4 now that is dropped from the level of 5 that it was at. So we are now at levels as low as they have been since the beginning of 2017, end of 2016. 8 years, guys. This is the lowest level of retail interest in 8 years. And I know it's because retail investors feel strapped. Inflation has been causing people to spend an additional $1,000 a month. And yet their salaries, their income has not increased by $1,000 a month. So here we are, feeling poorer than ever, which is why retail investors are not investing in cryptocurrency right now. Nonetheless, Pepe Unchained has been able to find $11.5 million in raise. Think about that. The ecosystem team, they went out there, found venture capitalists for their layer 3 treat token. They didn't go to the community. They didn't go to retail investors. They went to centralize further with venture capitalists, and they were only able to raise $12 million. Pepe Unchained is right there already. This is a brand new token. The demand for this token is insane. And I'm actually a little bit more excited about it than I am the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem right now because, of course, everything that they do. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.